Hello everyone and welcome back to Infotech Fusion. In today's video, we are going to cover everything you need to know about the voters.eci.gov.in portal. 1. Sign up and log in on voters.eci.gov.in. Open your browser, go to voters.eci.gov.in. On the home page, you will see Login and Sign Up. If you're a new user, click Sign Up. Enter your mobile number, and if it's already linked to your voter ID and Aadhaar, that's perfect. Email ID is optional. Enter the CAPTCHA, click Continue, and enter the OTP. That's it. Your sign up is done. Now let's log in. Click Login, enter your mobile number, CAPTCHA, and request the OTP. Enter the OTP, and you're in. Your dashboard is now visible. 2. Check your name in the last SIR. Click on Search your name in last SIR. Select your state. I'm choosing Tamil Nadu. Click View. Choose your search method. I'm selecting Search by Epic Number. Enter your EPIC number. If your details are updated, they will appear. In my case, I submitted my form recently, so updates may take some time. 3. Search your name in the Electoral Roll. Click Search by Electoral Roll. Select Final Publication of Electoral Roll 2025. Now choose your district, then your assembly constituency, and click Submit. You'll see ward numbers. Find your ward and download the PDF. Inside the PDF, check your details. 4. Fill SIR online. Before filling SIR online, make sure your Aadhaar and voter ID details match exactly. If there's any spelling issue, do the correction offline through your BLO. If everything is correct, click Fill Enumeration Form. Enter your details and complete Aadhaar authentication. It's fast, simple, and the error rate is very low. I am unable to proceed because my last name is missing, so the system is showing an error. 5. Fill Form 8 for corrections. Click Form 8. Select Self if you're applying for yourself. Your EPIC number will appear automatically. Click Submit. Check your details and click OK. You will now see options like shifting of residence, correction of entries, and more. I am selecting correction of entries. Now you can update name, gender, date of birth, relation details, address, mobile number. Upload supporting documents, usually Aadhaar. Click Next, enter the place name, CAPTCHA, click Preview, and then Submit. You will complete Aadhaar OTP verification and receive a reference number and receipt. Make sure to save it. 6. Track Form 8 status. Click Track Application Status. Enter the reference number. Click Submit, and you will see the current status of your application. 7. Download eEpic Voter ID online. Click eEpic Download. Enter your EPIC number. Select your state and click Search. If your mobile number is linked, click Send OTP. Enter the OTP and your download button will appear. Click Download and your eEpic voter ID will be saved instantly. I hope this video was helpful and clear. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infotech Fusion for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.